Hello everyone. Today I would like to share that I have completed my task 3 exploratory data analysis using Power BI of my data science and business analytics internship with the Spark Foundation. In this task, I have used the sample superstore data. The goal of the task is to find out the weak areas where we can work on to make more profit and derive business problems so that we have a sample superstore data in CSV format and the columns are shape mode, segment, country, city, state, postal code, region, category, subcategory, sales, quantity, discount and profit. So using this data we need to get the weak areas and business problems. The data was clean, so we did not need any pre-processing and proceeded with the Power BI dashboard. I have created 3 Power BI dashboards here. On the first dashboard I have done overall analysis. The first plot is showing profit by subcategory and category analysis. From this plot, the tables book access, furnishing, chairs are the furniture category, and copiers, phones, accessories, and machines having technology categories, and paper, binders, and storage, appliances, envelopes, art, label, fasteners, suppliers are having office supplies. On this analysis, the tables are going very high loss. Similarly, bookcases are having in loss, but not very loss, and the fasteners are not going very well, that is very low profit, that's showing. Similarly, machines are not having good profit. Next, I am analyze sales by region and city using tree map. So the tree map has divided the 4 permanent trees, that is west, east, central and south. From this tree map it is very prominent the east the east and west are doing pretty well, whereas central and south are going not very good. So I can report to the business, maybe then can came up the good marketing strategy in south and central regions. I am trying to analyze sales by ship mode and region wise. So the standard class having very high sales and the same day having the lowest sales. Next, I am trying to analyze category wise profit on this plot. It is very prominent that the category furniture having the lowest profit, and technology the technology having the very good profit in the category wise. And going to the next, I am analyzing the region wise profit analysis. and the plot shows the west region having very good profit, and the central region is very less profit. And also I have used in this plot having an filter. So if I click on any category, my whole dashboard is manipulated from that category. So for this will be easy for analyze. Next, I am trying to plot profit analysis. I analyze the west region having high profit and high sales, and the south region having low profit and low sales. And next I have done a state-wise profit analysis. So the New York and California is doing pretty well, and the Colorado is not doing well, and Virginia is doing well. North Carolina is not doing well. Washington is doing well. Next I am trying to plotting discount analysis. So we can do subcategory wise discount analysis. The copiers having very less discount, similarly the suppliers having very less discount, and binders having good discount. Next I am analyzing the category wise discount. So the category office suppliers having very good discount, and the category technology having very less discount. That's all. Thank you.